Batch jobs are essentially automated tasks that runs at specified intervals. In this video, let's understand how to create a variant and schedule a batch job. Let's take an example where a company has to create invoices at the end of the day. Doing this manually will not only be time consuming but will also be prone to errors. This is where batch job comes in.
Now let's see how to create a variant to be used in the batch job. Go to transaction code SE38 and enter program name SDBillDeal that is used to create invoices, and then click on variants. Now give the name of the variant and click on create. Fill in the necessary selection criteria for your process. This could be billing date, sales organization, distribution channel based on your business needs. Since in our example we would like to create delivery related invoices, we will confirm if the delivery related checkbox is selected. Once you have entered all the parameters, go to the menu bar and choose program, then variants and save as variant. Give description of your variant and click on save. Now our variant is created. Finally, let's see how to schedule a batch job. Go to transaction code SM36, click on job and create. Give a meaningful job name, let's say end of day invoicing. Click on step and provide the following details. Select the variant that we created in the previous step. Click on save. Click on start condition and then immediate or date and time depending on your need. In our example, we will schedule our job to start from the 19th of April 9 p.m. And since we want our job to execute daily, we will click on period values and then select daily. You can now see job plan start date, time and frequency. Click on save and you will see a message at the bottom of the screen that the job has been successfully saved and scheduled. Now each day at 9 p.m. your SAP system will automatically create invoices from all the day's deliveries.